Hello guys, Harry here. So today I'm very excited to launch our MCP servers. So basically, it's just like the best way to connect like all your cargo tools within cloud or any MCP clients. So how does it work? So in Cargo, you can create now, like in the settings, a MCP server. So basically, I just give a name, and what you're going to do is like provide the list of the tools you want to give access to your MCP servers. So I can find here and select like my different tools here. So in this example, I already selected a few. So I have the ability, for example, to search my CRM. I have the ability to find stakeholders, to find competitors, to enrich a company, to find emails, extra, extra. So now let's jump into the demo. So I'm in cloud and it's connected to my different tools here. And what I'm going to start with is to ask Cloud to find my last customer. So who is my last customer? Close customer. So we can see like it's going to search in my CRM. And as we can see, so my last close customer is Augment Code. So it's great. So now what I want to do is like a simple use case where like that's working pretty well for us is like to find the competitors of this company. So I can engage with them and just say, hey, like we're working with Augment Code. Would you like to learn more about what we do? So here it's going to be very simple. I'm going to ask now, can you find its competitors? So you can see here, like Claude is going to call another tool called find competitors. And is going to retrieve a list of like 10 companies, 10 competitors. So it's great, but I'm maybe not interested in all these companies. And I just want the companies with more than 50 employees. So I'm just going to ask Claude to filter companies with more than 50 employees. Can you only choose amazing. So now we can see like it's going to call like another tool called Orange Company Buck. We can see like it's not able to find some data for source graph, so it's going to find the data somewhere else. Okay, great. So now we can see only 3 companies have been filters, which is great. And now what I want to do is for these 3 companies, I want to be able to find like either one person working in RevOps or the head of sales. So I'm just going to ask, can you now find the people working in RevOps or head of sales in these 3 companies? Amazing. So now we can see it's going to call the tool find stakeholders with a few titles. So going to find like head of sales or VP of sales, chief of revenue officer, CRO, web ops, revenue operation, director of sales. So also what is interesting here is we can see like if we don't find any stakeholders, so for example for swim, so like Cloud is going to readjust the search. So basically we're not able to find like anyone for these different titles. So it's going to search for like broader yeah, below the title says our revenue, and we can find one person here. So here's the result. So we have like Joe Crowley from Secure Code Warrior. We have Wendy. We have Kevin, Matthew for Swim, we have Melissa, and unfortunately we don't have anyone for SourceGraph. So it's great. Now I just want to format this into a table. So I'm just going to ask, can you format this into a table? It's great. So I'm not going to ask here for like the phone number or the email, but basically I just let you imagine what you can do next. Like for example, pushing it to your Salesforce, ask for the phone number, ask for the email, ask for more information about the company, doing like more research, etc. So yeah, so thanks for watching this video. It was just like a quick overview about our new like MCP server feature. And so if you're excited about what's coming next with us, just like stay in the loop. Cheers.